Imagine two people. Both have similar income, both have taken loans, both use credit products regularly. But when they apply for a new loan, one gets approved quickly while the other faces difficulties. Why? One major reason could be their credit score. A credit score is one of the key indicators lenders use to understand how responsibly you manage borrowed money. And one of the biggest factors you can influence your credit score is something many of us deal with every month: EMI payments. So today, let's understand how paying your EMIs on time can improve your credit profile and why consistency matters. Before we talk about EMIs, let's quickly understand what a credit score is. A credit score is a numerical representation of your credit behavior. In simple terms, it helps lenders assess how reliably you've handled loans and credits in the past. A higher credit score may improve your chances of getting approved for a personal loan, home loan, car loans, credit cards, and much more. While different credit bureaus may have different models, the principle remains the same. Responsible repayment behavior generally supports a healthier credit profile. Whenever you take a loan and repay it through EMIs, you're creating a repayment track record. Every EMI is an opportunity to demonstrate financial discipline. When you consistently pay EMIs on or before the due date, it sends a positive signal about your repayment behavior. Over time, this can contribute positively to your credit history. Think of it this way: your credit score isn't built in a single day. It's built through small, consistent financial actions repeated over months and years. And timely EMI payments is one of those actions. Life can get busy. Sometimes people forget a due date or postpone a bill payment thinking they'll do it later. But missed or delayed EMIs can have consequences. Depending on the lender or reporting timelines, delayed payments may affect your credit history. You may also face late payment charges, additional penalties, increased financial stress. Even a small delay can become a habit if you're not careful. That's why staying organized with the repayment schedule is so important. The good news is that improving your repayment behavior doesn't require complicated strategies. Often it comes down to consistency. A few simple habits can help keep track record of EMI due dates, set reminder in advance, maintain sufficient balance before due dates, regularly review your financial commitments, avoid taking on more debt than you can comfortably manage. Over time, these habits can help create a stronger repayment record. One of the biggest reasons people miss payments isn't lack of money, it's simply forgetting. Between work, family responsibilities, and daily life, due dates can easily slip through the cracks. That's where digital tools can help. With Paytm, users can manage various financial payments conveniently through a single app. Payment reminders and an organized payment experience can help you stay aware of upcoming due dates and avoid last-minute rushes. Because when it comes to EMIs, consistency is often more important than perfection. A simple reminder today could help prevent a missed payment tomorrow. A good credit score isn't just a number, it's a reflection of your financial habits. And among all these factors that contribute to it, timely repayment remains one of the most important. Every EMI paid on time helps build a history of responsible credit behavior. Month after month, payment after payment, those small actions can add up over time. Improving your credit score doesn't always require major financial changes. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as paying your EMIs on time. Stay organized, track your due dates, build consistent repayment habits, explore financial services on Paytm, and take one more step towards building healthy financial habits. Subscribe to Paytm YouTube channel for more simple guides on personal finance, credit awareness, and money management.